Well, here we are, all change. Sad and exciting all at the same time. Our summer visitors are leaving or have left and are facing daunting challenges on their safeward journeys. Our winter visitors, some are already here and others are making their way here, and they too are facing daunting challenges to spend some time with us.
Welcome to Wallow Cam Moments, October 2025.
Some of our summer visitors are putting off the inevitable pull of imprinting, the pull to move south and escape our winter. For us, it is always lovely to stretch our time with them. For them, it stretches the time they can utilise to put on the fat reserves required for long distance migration and the endurance it demands. Redwings have arrived in good numbers and have enjoyed the Wallow Cam. You can see why redwings are called redwings. Witnessing migration always moves us. It gives us goosebumps. It lifts us and it moves us. If you tune in, you really are swamped with emotion, inhaling true wonder, witnessing the birds calling for risk and survival. Migration is not an exact science. Some birds will move into the UK mixing with resident populations. Some will leapfrog the residents to move further south. Sometimes some of the UK resident species will migrate further south themselves. The Latin name for chaffinches is Fringilla coeleps, meaning bachelor bird. Males in the UK stay put in winter, whilst females may take a winter holiday further south, possibly across the Channel and around the Mediterranean. Whilst male chaffinches in the UK may be joined by female chaffinches from Scandinavia, forming mixed flocks. Are the birds we are seeing here resident or migrants, joining us for winter? We can tell you what we think, but ultimately you decide. Many birds migrate this time of year to the UK, more species than you think. Some stay and some are just passing through. Here we list just some. Visiting blackbirds perhaps. Blackbirds, a potential though not definitive physical difference is that male Scandinavian blackbirds often have darker beaks compared to the bright orange-yellow beaks of UK resident males. Though this is not definitive, as young UK male blackbirds have darker bills before changing to the more familiar yellow colour. Another key distinction is that Scandinavian birds may have slightly longer wings and duller plumage. Are all these thrushes migrants? Scandinavian song thrushes can appear a darker brown than UK song thrushes. Where are these thrushes from? Have these robins made the journey to be with us? Robins migrating to the UK for winter can have a paler orange or yellowish orange breast bib, lacking the stronger reddish tones of the UK robin. Resident birds have had to make use of the Wallow Cam as and when there was a free slot between the non-stop rival of redwings.